Hi, I'm Haniksha Kabra from MBA Aviation 2013-15 batch. UPS, what do I tell you about it? Words would be less to describe this university and the platform it's given me. Aviation was my dream from my childhood and UPS gave me a platform to fulfill it. And truly said, the faculty here are very supportive. They always stood like a backbone for me. Be it my internship, be it my placements, be it anything, they help me distinguish between what is right, what is wrong, and what not. Be it tolerating all my tantrums, be it my mischiefs, be it giving my presentations, anything, I would definitely say the people here are wonderful and you will get an exposure which you'll love it when you come here. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Aarti Budhiraja and I have done here in UPS BTech from Automotive Design and Engineering, and this stream has helped me a lot to build up my confidence, as I did my internship in Mahindra & Mahindra Haridwar plant, where we got an industrial exposure and also what is the work pattern of the industry there. So we even went for one industrial tour where we got to know about some many good companies like CI, RT Pune and Mahindra & Mahindra Mumbai plant and Bajaj plant. So these helped us a lot in developing our confidence and also our personality. Recently I got placed in TCI, that is Transport Corporation of India Limited, and I think UPS played a very great role in building up my personality. Thank you.
Good evening. I'm from University of Petroleum and Energy Studies, Dehradun, and my branch is Applied Petroleum Engineering with specialization in gas stream, and I'm from batch 2011 to 2015. So petroleum engineering is a very diversified field which is mainly divided into upstream, midstream and downstream. So being a part of midstream, we are also taught upstream and downstream sector as well. So starting from my past experience for the last 4 years, I would like to tell about my first internships and then projects. I interned at first ONGC Hazira and then I went in IOCL Haldia. So in ONGC Hazira, I was given the project of gas processing, and we analyzed different methods to process the gas, like the dew point depression, then sulfur recovery unit and various. And when I went to IOCL Haldia was a great opportunity for me, as I learned many processes to refine the crude oil into different fractions like petrol, diesel, kerosene that the end consumer uses. Now the best experience for the last 4 years that I can have is that I went to Russia for the conference World Petroleum Congress, and the college nominated me for that, and the whole expenditure and the whole thing was done by the college and half by the Russian government. So there I went as a scribe, and I wrote many articles in the magazine, and I was nominated by the college itself. So the last 4 years experience for me was a great one, and now I would suggest all the youngsters and all the coming generations to go for UPS and have the midstream sector and offer branch petroleum engineering, because in this field you can have the entry to upstream field, the midstream field and the downstream field. So all the best to my juniors and do well.
Hello friends, I am Ishita Agrawal. I am from BTech Material Science with specialization in nanotechnology. This branch basically deals with lot of fields. It's a multidisciplinary branch and it is a very exciting and innovative branch. You can deal with many of the subjects. At present I am doing on number of projects such as Department of Science.